of the kids are filing into the school auditorium in their uniforms. They're wearing powder blue sweaters. And all of the kids are filing into the school auditorium in their uniforms. They're wearing powder blue sweaters, white shirts, and dark corduroys.
And they would be a photographer there, usually a white guy.
This is Ibario Dexparello, who attended the school.
Sure?
Yeah.
Hold on. I wasn't listening. There was a semi pulled out in front of everybody here and caused a wreck.
Because I've told you this story, right? Yeah. So, but yeah, and then I took a lot of time off here in town. I took off, if I'm being honest with you, when I was writing that show. Again, they're primarily people over the age of 65 who have these pre-existing conditions. But what they're starting to see increasingly is that are people between the age of 50 and 59 who are also severe disease who've been vaccinated. It could be that they are, increasingly further out from their first shots, and this is just evidence of the vaccine waning. But these are signals. Again, you can see the disparities here, Brianna. Still, this is much more the unvaccinated, but this is likely to come up. The idea.
University of Phoenix is awarding up to $1 million in new scholarships this month. If you've been waiting for an opportunity to go back to school, it's time to stop waiting. See what scholarship you may qualify for at phoenix.edu.
I told you he's an idiot.
Yates,
You're I told you he was bugging.
yeah.
Yo. Bugging. I told you he was tripping. Remember I said? This nigga thinks he's driving a race car.
Oh my gosh, baby!
Where are you going, dude?
That's for all the people who are working so hard on making the batches. I think that's what he's... Because...
even not allowed to participate in clinical trials because per law it is not possible to include company people into such trials, which is really
Who gives a shit about the trial? Have you been vaxxed, mofo?
fine. But now we have to deal with the more important challenge that we need to ensure functionality of our whole company, of our teams, and therefore this is needed. And
that's my point, is the players didn't get it. But wait, let's just stop. Let's just stay with the Germans for a second. Listen to how this guy...
Ni Bruce yung kanyang opisina. Yeah. Hamas. Oops!
Why? Oh my god.
Oh dear, honey.
Oh,
That's okay, anak. We're okay. Why? What happened? Excuse me, what happened?
I mean, he said he was going to, he said he was
Oh!
Finally, my girl Holly, I'm going.
Hey, I've got a dash cam. Yeah, do you want to give me your number?
And then at the end of that point, Jesus comes. Christ is going to come stop him. So eventually you will know the year. So, with that being said...
Chị đừng có qua không vậy? Hả? Nhà con Ngân đâu có ai đâu. Ngày hôm 6 hả?
Hả? Nhà con Ngân đâu có ai đâu. Nhà ông Sáu à?